County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wilson, or 14 miles northwest of Farmville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Winterville, Farmville, Stokes, Belle Arthur, House, Pactolus, Blackjack, Bruce, East Carolina University, Pitt Greenville Airport, Downey Fickman Stadium,
Somebody keeps calling me.
Walstomberg, and Falkland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and flash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service Office in Newport at 1-800-889-6889. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Greene, Martin, and Pitt. This is NOAA Weather Radio.